Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Swatches, and this is Anya. Today we are going to learn about some basic stitches for beginners. So guys, let's get ready with your hoop and fabric. While choosing your fabric, always choose it with the appropriate thread count and weave that will allow your needle to pass through your fabric easily. You can use fabrics which are weaved loosely such as muslin, cotton and linen. Beginners always avoid denims. This is embroidery floss or anchor thread. You can easily have them from any local market near you, or you can also purchase them online. These are generally 6-ply yarns. We are going to use needle of 40 to 50 mm. Now it's time to set your hoop and your fabric. Tightly set your fabric before doing embroidery. So guys, if you are doing embroidery for very first time, it will be much better for you to draw some basic guidelines on your fabric. Let's start with the easiest one, running stitch. Tie a knot in the one end of your yarn. It will look more attractive if all the stitches are kept at an equal distance. Next is our whipped running stitch. It is a variation in running stitch. Now take another color, tie a knot on it, and now we are going to put this variation on our simple running stitch which we have earlier done. You can refer these samples for different designs and running stitch and whipped running stitch. You can also follow me on Instagram. All products used in this video are also available online. Links are provided in the description box. So guys, if you like my lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for next lesson.